Big news for Tesla's Cybertruck this week. And this one doesn't involve pieces of it flying off at high speeds. According to a new report from Electrek, the newly embattled automaker has finally started accepting trade-ins. The company delivered its first Cybertruck in November 2023, but as they've been rolled out to reservation holders, Tesla hasn't taken them back. While Electrek has deemed the Cybertruck a quote commercial flop, it's hard to argue with the numbers. According to Cox Automotive, Tesla sold nearly 39,000 Cybertrucks last year, its first full year of sales. Elon Musk's early projections set expectations around 250,000 units. Now for a bit more bad news for early adopters. The depreciation is significant. The 2024 Cybertruck Foundation Series sold for $100,000. As reported by Electrek, Tesla is offering just $65,400 in trade-in value, a depreciation of nearly 35% in just a year. Pickup trucks typically depreciate around 20% in the first year. Coming off a tough quarter that saw Tesla's first quarter profit plunge more than 70%, and reports that the EV maker could have nearly $200 million in Cybertruck inventory it's struggling to move, it looks like the company's futuristic electric truck could soon become a thing of the past. I'm David Manti. This is Manufacturing Now.